Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's talk about a professional organization where you can learn various orchid species, exchange ideas of growing orchids, showcase your gorgeous flowers, and make friends who have the same hobby. Yes, this great organization is the American Orchid Society, short for AOS. We went to our local Orchid Society during the weekend. I'm gonna show you the video of our event. At the same time, let me introduce the American Orchid Society, what they do, the annual fees to join them, the activities they hold throughout the year, and what happened to our AOS meeting last weekend. Hopefully, this video will provide you with some useful information. If you like this video, please thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with more friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. We'll have more useful and free videos in the future. Orchid societies are generally responsible for a certain area, usually surrounding a larger city. For example, in Pennsylvania, there is SAPOS, the Southeast Pennsylvania Orchid Society, in the Philadelphia area. The OSWP, Orchid Society of Western Pennsylvania, in the Pittsburgh area. Even within the Philadelphia area, there are other smaller orchid societies. You can view this link to find orchid societies in your area. Just choose your country, hit search, and then choose your state of province. I will put this link in the description under this video. You can just copy and paste. This website is for the American Orchid Society. This is the overarching Orchid Society for the United States, and they train judges for the shows which the smaller orchid societies hold, where orchids are awarded prizes based on culture and flowers. Smaller societies will also set up displays with members' plants at the larger shows. For example, many surrounding orchid societies will bring their blooming plants to the much larger SAPOS show outside of Philadelphia. The shows are normally just for one small part of the year, though, usually in winter. For the rest of the year, orchid societies provide educational tools, material support, and learning experiences for their members. Being a group of other growers, some of whom have at one time grown prize-winning orchids, is a great resource. You can ask people for advice or get tips and tricks about growing. What's more, the presentations which the society hosts often give you access to experts from around the world. And in a small group, you can often even get one-on-one time with the guest speaker to ask questions. All orchid societies set their own fees. Our local orchid society only charges $25 per household per year. That covers several monthly meetings, where we get access to presentations made by distinguished guests from all around the country. Orchid societies can engage in a wide range of activities. The obvious ones are the orchid shows and meetings, but there can also be picnics, field trips, or plant sales exchanges. These activities are typically arranged by the leaders of the local society, and the work is done by volunteering members. In the case of picnics, one member will host it, and when the society does plant sales or exchanges, the members will either supply the plants either as a donation or sell them and then donate a portion of the proceeds to the society. At meetings, members can also bring their orchids in to display them. Our meeting included snacks, a presentation, a review of showcase plants, and a plant sale exchange. The presentation was on commonly grown orchids, and both the orchids' parentage and their progeny were compared. It was very interesting. The sale was a mix of donated items and plants which were put up for sale. We got a beautiful breccia and a lot of potting materials for a very good deal. $12 for the huge breccia and $22 for all these materials. When it came to the show table, there were a lot of interesting plants. There were some very beautiful Vanda and Camellia, a Miltonopsis, a gorgeous yellow Cymbidium, and some complex hybrids. The one that really stole the show was this enormous Oncidium. It is closely related to Oncidium cherry baby, the chocolate orchid, and so it smells completely divine. It won first prize for the day. We all voted on the orchids by category and then all together. We learned a lot and had so much fun over there. Alright, this is today's video. Hope it is useful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.